Ready to showcase your latest property and attract potential buyers directly through your Zillow profile. First, navigate to Zillow.com and click on Agent Hub at the top right corner of the screen to access your agent dashboard. Once you are in your Agent Hub, look for the Listings tab on the left-hand side menu and click on it. Now, to manually add your new listing, select the prominently displayed Add a Listing button, typically found at the top right corner. A new window will pop up, prompting you to enter the property address. Be as accurate as possible for correct geocoding. Next, fill out all the required fields with the most up-to-date and compelling property information. This includes the property type, the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, square footage, and of course the listing price. Now, upload high-quality photos. This is crucial as visuals or what capture attention. Arrange them strategically to highlight the best features of the property. Then, craft a detailed and captivating property description, emphasizing key selling points, unique features, and neighborhood highlights. Finally, review all the information you've entered to ensure accuracy, and then click the Submit button, which is usually at the bottom of the page. Congratulations! Your listing is now live on your Zillow profile, ready to attract potential buyers and boost your visibility. Happy selling!